Hi, welcome to my series of videos where I'm gonna talk about common mistakes new investors make. Sometimes people go everywhere. That's a mistake. You should focus one small area. That should be your backyard. Eventually, you can go everywhere, but especially in the beginning, you should focus maybe within 15, 20, maybe max 30 minutes driving area in your backyard. Real estate is local. That's why if you try to go everywhere, it's very difficult to understand the market. Therefore, you're gonna start with one small area. Then, if you finish 1 to 3 deals in your if you finish 1 to 3 deals in the area, maybe you can gradually expand the area. In my case, I always started within my 15-20 minutes driving area. I start doing my first wholesale deals in my 15 or 20 minutes driving range area. Eventually, I went everywhere, but first several years I was focusing on the same area, and then I did so many deals. Then I felt more confident to expand my area. This is how I started this real estate investment business. Some people say you can buy properties out of states, but I personally don't recommend new investors to go out and buying a property outside of the states, because most important issue is how accurately you can evaluate the value of the properties. I personally don't listen to other people's opinion. Even today, I have to evaluate the value of the property by myself. Then I have done tons of evaluation like this. That's why I have confidence my evaluation system is correct. But if you go outside of the states, sometimes you have no access to MLS. Therefore, you have to find somebody who has the same level of the ability to evaluate the properties. If you have a certain level of the ability to evaluate, you can feel it. If you see people, you see this person is same level as yours, and then maybe you can become a partner with those people. You can start trusting those people's opinion of the value of the properties. Then maybe you can buy properties outside of your state, but until then, you should focus in your backyard. Once again, you should focus your backyard. My recommendation is maybe 15-20 minutes driving range. Then you can do several deals first. You have confidence to evaluate property accurately. Then you can go outside of your backyard, and then gradually you can expand the area, go beyond the city, go beyond the state. This is how your investment business starts. If you found this video helpful, click the like button. Also click the subscribe button for upcoming videos on this series where I discuss common mistakes new real estate investors should avoid.